My name is Elsie Campo. I'm originally from Canada and I'm a process chemist at Merck, and I'm proud to be a chemist.
What's your favorite element?
I think if you're a chemist, you have to have a favorite element on the table. I haven't thought about that in a long time. That's an interesting question. I did my PhD in palladium catalyzed reactions, so I've always had a sort of soft spot for late transition metals and palladium, but I think I'm more fascinated with the chemistry of carbon. So I probably would say carbon is the favorite element on the table right now.
When did you decide to study chemistry?
I was a biopharmaceutical science major, really interested in biology, really interested in sort of how the human body worked. And I had a first year organic chemistry teacher, Louis Barrio, who really inspired me. I think it was like one of these realizations that it was a really creative discipline, got me really interested. And by the time I was a third year student, I had sort of signed up for the medicinal chemistry option and ultimately decided to go to grad school. So relatively late. I think I was always excited in science, but chemistry was definitely something that I fell into in my 20s.
What makes you proud to be a chemist?
I think I'm proud to be a chemist because of ultimately the impact that we can have on the world. Like, one of the things that I really believe in is that one chemical reaction can change the world, and I've seen it over and over again in my work, and I feel like that's something that I'm extremely proud of. It's things that I talk about with non-chemists when I sort of explain the work that we do and ultimately the impact that we can ultimately have on the world.
What makes ACS events meaningful to you?
I mean, I think the ACS meeting is a fantastic venue to kind of bring the community together and have an opportunity to get together, talk about our science, but then also like a phenomenal opportunity for networking. And that's what I've come to expect more and more from these meetings is who's here, who can I meet with, who have I not seen in a while that I can reconnect with. I would say over the years, what I've found to be the most unexpected is to come to these meetings and bump into people who know who I am. Either through the podcast that I host, which is talks about chemistry, or through sort of social media, and they'll just walk up to me and they'll be like, "Oh, I follow you on social media," and it's really led me to meet a whole bunch of people that I would have otherwise not met.